Oh, the chopstick. Thank
Hey
you.
people, so this is at this place called Seven Sisters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. Ayush, this is your entire dinner. Actually, Anviku, you also try, no, Raja?
Typically, right? So, typically,
Yeah. Things at this place are, this would be around a cool $500 perhaps. And yeah.
I'll make them even. Make them even.
make them even. Make them even.
Yeah.
Now, you want to put some this on?
Now this is an authentic sushi, simply since it's called saki maki and it's with fish, raw fish. So I wonder how it is. What?
It's very good.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Right?
Really?
No.
Should I take a small piece? But
You can
it's
take the
wrong.
whole thing.
Yeah, no.
God, that's so
How do you do
good.
that? How do you do it?
Yeah,
Show me how.
seriously?
Teach them.
I want to eat the rice part. Show me one with the rice part.
Take the whole thing.
Yeah.
With
With
the
the
chopstick.
okay.
Try it out.
Yeah, just with the
Honestly, mommy, this stabs us.
Just try it with the fish.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
But I can't have the whole. Like I'll be having only the.
You'll always remember it.
Yeah.
No, put this.
Ajo, I can't eat the fish. No. Yeah, just the rice.
Fish is still. Once
Yeah.
is okay. Like Mama said, na.
Okay, once.
Yeah. Put the soya. Put the soya. Put the soya.
Actually, I can already get the fishy smell type.
Then give it to me.
Okay,
Amma, you have to eat the whole thing.
yeah, no.
It's fine. Just one.
One.
Don't have it.
Yeah, you won't do it again.
Yeah.
You let us
Wait,
know
wait,
what's
I'll eat the
happening.
rice.
You put the whole
I
thing.
dip.
Put the
I
whole
dip.
thing and just eat and see. Are you
That's okay.
Put the whole thing. Put the whole thing. Put the whole thing. It doesn't matter. At least you know, right? Then you will. So when he said he doesn't.
It is just like a vegetarian.
Oh, it is. ये एक और चाहिए लाते हैं chopsticks. I think I'm going to take one.